I would like to say physics CDF points. The forces which act when bodies are in contact are known as contact forces. The normal force or normal reaction. The normal reaction force is always acting always perpendicular to the surface of contact. When a body is connected by the means of a string or a rope, then a force may be exerted on the body by the means of the string or rope. This force is known as tension. When several bodies are connected by strings, springs, surfaces of contact, then all the forces acting on the body are considered and sketched on the body under consideration by just isolating it. So the diagram so formed is called free body diagram, FBD. Two different masses are connected either sides of a string. Two different masses are connected either sides of a string. The string which passes over a frictionless light pulley. Two different masses M1 and M2. M1 is greater than M2 are connected to a string which passes over a frictionless light pulley. The string is light and inextensible. Then the acceleration of the system A is equals to M1 minus M2 into G by M1 plus M2, and tension T is equals to 2M1 into M2 by M1 plus M2 into G. The force which always opposes the relative motion of a body is called frictional force. When a body is kept on a horizontal surface which is at a stable position, then the body attains static friction. The maximum value of static friction is called limiting friction. Maximum static friction is directly proportional to normal force. Gives rise to limiting friction is equals to nu s normal force. Gives rise to nu s is equals to limiting friction by normal force. The force which comes into play when body is in motion is called kinetic friction. The friction which comes into play when body is in motion is called kinetic friction. Kinetic friction is directly proportional to normal force. Gives rise to kinetic friction is equals to nu k normal force. Gives rise to nu k is equals to kinetic friction by normal force. Hence, nu k is known as quotient of kinetic friction. When a body like wheel or sphere or cylinder rolls on the surface, then the friction developed is called rolling friction. Rolling friction is directly proportional to normal force. Gives rise to normal force is equals to rolling friction. Rolling friction is equals to nu r normal force. Gives rise to nu r is equals to normal force by rolling friction. The three different types of friction are in the order: static friction greater than, kinetic friction greater than, rolling friction. For a given pair of solids, nu s is greater than, nu k is greater than nu r. The force which always opposes the relative motion of a body and is always tangential to the surface of contact is known as frictional force. Thank you.